I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom Siri voice shortcuts on your iPhone. First, we'll go to our Shortcuts app. Now, depending on the apps that you have on your phone, it'll have some shortcut ideas for you on your screen here of your shortcuts. But we're going to set a custom one. So we'll click the plus button on the top right. So here we have all of the apps that we can use. It can open an app, it can play music, it can do a whole lot of different things. But in this particular instance, I'm going to have it turn on my Tesla's air conditioning. I'll open the Tesla app. Here's the preset commands that it can do. So I'm going to click the start to start the preconditioning of the vehicle. Now, once we have that selected, we'll click done, and you can see preconditioned vehicle is here at the top. Now, to make a specific Siri command for this, all we're going to have to do is tap the name on the top, and we're going to rename this. And I'm going to have it say, turn on the air conditioning. And when you're ready, I'll click done. Then at the top right, click done again. Now we have this command on our screen right here. And if I use Siri, and I'll just tap to hold, turn on the air conditioning. Now, as you can see, it says started preconditioning the Model Y there at the top, meaning it has successfully done that particular shortcut. Now you know how to set shortcuts on your iPhone using Siri and renaming them to be whatever you need to say to get them to actually go.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.